Hi beautiful people, my name is Aishat, as you all know. So I've been wanting to do this video. I don't want to call it ranting, but I just want to ask a sincere questions. Actor to actor, producers to producers, how are you doing? How are you coping? Because Ojogun till they go, I don't turn scriptwriter, turn line producer, turn executive producer, turn content creator. We are the marketers. We are everything. How are you doing? How are you coping? Producers to producers, actors to actors. Are you getting your money back from all these videos you are posting online? Am I the only one that is worried that something is wrong somewhere? I'm just checking up. Oh, we are all fine. Trust me, we are Nigerians, and we know they carry last. We don't give up. We keep hustling. You know, it's just a very sad generation that everybody is sad behind beautiful pictures and beautiful videos. But note, as a producer or as an actor, if you feel like you are struggling, you are choking, or you are trying to survive, you are not alone. God got you. It's a matter of time. It's your teething period. You will get your bearing very, very soon. Take care of yourself. I love you and I care.